Here's the camera all installed. This is the front camera. If I push this button again, that's the back camera. Let me show you what else this thing does. Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Pelsee Smart Wi-Fi Dash Camera. This is the P1 Duo. I have everything here laid out on the bench, and I'll just go over it one by one. So first off, what I noticed, I've already went through the manual and it's pretty clear on what to do. We also have our main camera right here, and I'm going to plug this in on the bench so you can see exactly what it does before we put it in the car. This is the rear camera, and then this is the cable or routing to get the rear camera to the back of the vehicle. And then here we got our cigarette lighter adapter. And then what's cool about this is it does have a USB right here, so you can gain a USB also. And then over here, this is just all our mounting hardware. So it looks like everything comes ready to go. Let me go ahead and get this plugged in and let's check it out. So I've got everything now laid out on the bench. I've got my front camera and it needs to be plugged into my charging cable. By the way, this is 11.5 feet or 3.5 meters. So let's go ahead and plug that in now. And then now I got to do my back camera. So my back camera is going to plug into my extension cable. And by the way, this extension cable is 19 feet and 7 inches or 6 meters. So that's plugged in, and then we also got to plug it into the power adapter. That's plugged in, and then we'll plug our adapter into the OPEZ. And then now. All right, so I have a micro SD card. It's not formatted yet, so let's go ahead and just plug it in and see what it does. By the way, this is not included. This is going to be an extra. So let's plug it in. So it wants me to format it. So it looks like you just had to push this button once and it formatted it for you. So now it's recording, so let's push this again. There we go, so there's the front camera. And then if I push it again, this must be the yeah, this is the rear camera. So both cameras are working. So let's go ahead and put this in the car. So I'm not going to show you the installation process. I just wanted to show you that I already have a dash cam, so I will have something to compare it to. So my first step is to get this off and install the new one. All right, let me show you what's going on. So the power cable, it's up here. It follows the headliner right over here. And then it comes cruising around there. And then it comes down in through here, back, and it ends up in here. And then there's the power cable. The rear camera follows the headliner this way. And here, and then it catches inside here, and then from here it comes all the way back, and then it follows it over there towards this area. And then let me show you on the other side. It comes out through here, and then it goes through this pass-through. Here it is right here. And then I was able to get it through this hole. I took off the light and the camera comes out right by the light. So now I just got to put the light on and mount the camera. All right, so this is where the rear camera ended up. It's all finished. Let me get you another view. So from here, really hard to see, but there it is. I think it turned out pretty well and pretty clean install. So let's go out and take it for a drive. Also, don't forget to download the app. It's at the Google Play Store or the App Store. It's also a QR code on the box or in the manual. All right, so once the app's downloaded, go ahead and open it up. You say add camera. And you got to make sure your camera is on, and it is. I'm going to say install. It says add camera. It goes to my Wi-Fi, and I've got to find it, and it's the P1 Duo. It wants the password, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I'll say join. All right, so once you download the app, you can open it up. And then if you click camera, access camera, and you camera files, here you can see all the video that it actually recorded so far. And if you back up and you go to camera settings, it's got speaker volume, sound recording, collision sensing, and then here also format. So you can actually format the card right here. So just some extra options for you. One more thing in the app I need to show you. If I go to camera file here, I can see all the video footage that this is recorded. So if I wanted to download a clip, I just select it and come over here and just say download. Now I've already downloaded some clips, so let's go back once, and I go to album. I click album, and this is where my downloads are, right here. So I would just select it, and then down here I can edit it or I can share it. So if I got in a car crash, I could share this with my insurance company, email it to them, message it to them, or airdrop it to somebody, or share it to anybody I need to. That's pretty powerful stuff right there. The rest of this video will be driving footage. I'll show you daytime footage and what it looks like in the dark. I'll also compare the video footage to the camera that I removed. Keep in mind, the Pelsee dash camera is half the price of the one that I removed. I thought the video quality was the same. The Pelsee was easy to install, and setting up the camera was very user-friendly. I'll leave an Amazon link in the description of where to buy this camera. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.